The error code 66 error on a Rheem gas furnace is an open pressure switch error, indicating that the pressure switch is either opening back up or not closing. This issue can be caused by a dirty filter, a malfunctioning pressure switch, a non-working blower, or a faulty fire suppression system. To resolve the error, start by checking the filter for dirt and debris, as a dirty filter can restrict airflow and lead to overheating. Cleaning the filter by vacuuming and then washing it with water, allowing it to dry thoroughly, can often resolve the issue. Next, inspect the pressure switch using a vacuum manometer to determine if the induced draft motor is generating enough vacuum to close the switch. If the blower is not functioning, it may be necessary to replace the blower motor, which is a task best left to a professional. Additionally, examine the fire suppression system for any faults, and if issues are found, contact the manufacturer's customer service for assistance. By addressing these potential causes, the error code 66 error can be effectively resolved.